Assignment operators. Assignment operator in C language is indicated as equals to. Let's see this. Whenever we have a association of a value to a variable, it has to be done using assignment operator. Whenever we are using this operator, sometimes we get confused with double equals to. Make it a habit not to use as double equal to as an alternate of equals to. Whenever I say that I'm supposed to make a comparison, then use a double equals to. And whenever I say that I'm supposed to just copy a value or assign a value, in that case use single equals to. Probably the symbol which we are using in both the cases might be same, only it is used twice and here it is used single time. So basically when I wish to compare values, use double equals to. Assign simple single equals to. When I wish to assign values, what syntax or what layout should I follow? Let's check out the syntax. As per the rules, there has to be a variable on the left hand side, equals to, you can have a value on the right hand side, or you can have a variable on the right hand side, or you can have an expression on the right hand side. Now since it is the instruction, what I'll do is I'll place a semicolon. Suppose if I have a variable y associated with a value called as phi, assignment operator says that you should transfer the value from right to left. The value phi goes to a variable y. Suppose if I say y equals to x, it means that the value which is there in x should be now copied onto y. It doesn't mean that the value of x is permanently deleted. No. Assignment operator just creates a copy of x and stores into y. After that, none of these variables will have any association with them. If y gets modified, it will be purely y. If x gets modified, it will be purely x. Only at the time of taking the values, probably the value might be transferred from x to y, but after that they don't have any relation. So I have a value, I have a variable. Now let me write an expression at this place, y equals to x plus 2 semicolon. So here I have an arithmetic expression storing the result into a variable y. You can have a value, you can have a variable, you can have an expression. But trying this is an error. When I say phi equals to y, this is an error. Why this leads to an error? As per the syntax, always you should have a variable on the left hand side. A variable on the left hand side. And on the right hand side, you can have anything. Now here, I have 5 on the left hand side, which is a constant. Hence, this leads to an error. Because constants, they require memory. And variables, they have that particular memory. When I ask that the variable value has to be copied, variable value has to be copied at something which has got space already allocated. Constants, they are not allocated memory. Variables are the one which are allocated memory. Remember that variables will have memory, constants will not have memory. Does C language has got only one assignment operator? No. C language has got multiple assignment operators also. And we call them as shorthand assignment operators. Let's list them. Now, we have 5 shorthand assignment operators listed as plus equals to, minus equals to, asterisk equals to, slash equals to, and percentage equals to. Now, as the name itself says that this is a compound assignment operation or a shorthand assignment operator where an arithmetic operation is merged with an assignment expression. Suppose if I write expression as a plus equals to b. Now here, when I say a plus equals to b, this is a very much valid arithmetic and assignment instruction. Here, the value of a is added with b and the result is stored back to a, which means that this expression can be expanded as, yes, spell this, a equals to a plus b. Suppose if I say a minus equals to 5, how the expression gets expanded? Say this with me. A equals to A minus 5. But if I say A equals to minus 5, does it mean that again the same operation will be run? No. If I interchange the place of arithmetic and the assignment operator, never ever say that will produce still the same result. Here, minus 5 is assigned to what? Yes, you guessed it right, it is A. So when I say equal to minus, it says minus 5 is assigned to A, whereas minus equals to says this is expansion. You can have asterisk equal to, you can have slash equal to, you can have percentage equals to with the same set of examples. Apart from this, we have one thing called as multiple assignment operator. What do I mean by multiple assignment operator? Now, in this case, whenever a value has to be associated with multiple variables, suppose if I have int A, B, C, D, and all these variables need to be associated with a common value. I can say A equals to 0, B equals to 0, C equals to 0, D equals to 0. Or I can try one instruction and associate all these values with one instruction itself. A equals to B equals to C equals to D equals to 0. We call this as a multiple assignment operator, where 0 is copied onto D, D is copied onto C, C is copied onto B, and B is copied onto A. And do remember that multiple assignment operator should be used in the program, not in the declaration instruction. This is about the concepts of assignment operator. Thank you.